Best Drones 2022. If you want a dependable and durable model that also produces top-notch video and stills, investing in the best drone is a wise decision. The best drone for the money is one that won't break or lose control on the first flight, whether you're looking for your first drone or are an aerial filmmaker with more experience looking for an upgrade. Remember that you have a link to all the products in the description. Let's see the best drones 2022. 6. PowerVision PowerEgg X. The PowerEgg X is a flyer, not a fryer, despite its culinary moniker. Additionally, PowerVision's aerial orb stands out in a market dominated by drones that dislike water for its capacity to fly in the rain and land on bodies of water. The plastic waterproof housing has an impact on image quality, but the ability to operate in and float on wet surfaces opens up a variety of creative possibilities. The PowerEgg X can be used as a tripod-mounted autonomous AI camera that can be operated with hand gestures, as well as a handheld gimbal camera. The adaptable setup has a drawback in that it takes longer to deploy. Despite being portable, it requires some time to set up the controller, add the propeller arms, and remove the protective casing from the body. 5. Ryze Tello. The Ryze Tello is a straightforward, lightweight, and reasonably priced drone that's intended to be entertaining for beginners. The Tello offers a lot despite its low price. The battery provides a respectable 13 minutes of flight time, and downward-facing light sensors enable the Tello to hover in place and carry out a few automated tricks. The 5MP camera mounted on the nose had less impressive image quality, with a small dynamic range and noticeable compression artifacts when streaming 720p HD video. Any deterioration in connection strength has an impact on the frame rate because video is beamed directly to your smartphone. On a calm day, the Ryze Tello is primarily a fun drone to fly because it moves quickly and responds quickly to intuitive inputs. 4. Autel Evo Lite Plus. The Evo Lite Plus, the flagship drone from Autel's most recent lineup of DJI rivals, directly competes with the Air 2S. Its spec sheet is strikingly similar, and it can capture 4K video at 30 frames per second using a 1-inch sensor. But with its 40-minute flight time and variable aperture, it also surpasses the Air 2S and the Mavic Pro 2. Although the Lite Plus model lacks the fourth-axis stabilization of its Evo Lite sibling, the larger pixels on its sensor allow it to capture more light in low-light situations. 3. DJI Mavic 3. Looking for the most potent, portable drone available? It is the DJI Mavic 3. The dual cameras on the front of this aerial powerhouse combine a practical 162mm telephoto lens with a sizable 20MP 4/3 sensor. Other upgrades over its predecessor include a 46-minute battery life and the ability to record in 4K/120p or 5K/50p slow motion. By upgrading to the DJI Mavic 3 Cine bundle, you can shoot video in the Apple ProRes 422HQ format and get a DJI RC Pro controller with a ton of glitz. You'll also get 1 TB of internal storage. 2. DJI Avida. Although FPV drones are notoriously challenging to fly, anyone can easily capture immersive FPV video footage in stunning 4K resolution at up to 60 frames per second with the DJI Avida. The Avida can be flown in manual/acro mode, which is the pinnacle of FPV flight, but this is what makes FPV drones challenging to fly, so DJI includes the motion controller in the Avida kits, which is simple to use and perfect for beginners. Pilots with more experience can buy the FPV controller 2 separately. 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Thanks to its membership in the regulator-friendly sub-249G class, the DJI Mavic Mini series has revolutionized the drone industry. These drones can therefore be flown in more locations than larger drones because they are not only incredibly small and lightweight. The most recent model in this well-liked series, the DJI Mavic Mini 3 Pro, fixes a number of flaws in earlier models to become the best DJI Mini to date. The Mini 3 Pro's standard Mavic folding design makes it easy to transport because it is so compact and light. However, don't be fooled into thinking that this palm-sized drone lacks visual impact. Thanks to dual native ISO capturing technology, the new 1/1.3-inch 12.1 MP sensor, which can capture 48 MP RAW files and JPEGs, generates fantastic image quality with excellent high ISO noise handling. This, coupled with the fast f/1.7 aperture and 24mm equivalent lens, gives this drone some serious low light credentials. You have in the description the link of all the products. I hope you liked the video. Goodbye.